English Conversation Junction.
Do you need assistance with anything?
No, I'm good for now.
Do you need assistance with anything?
No, I'm good for now.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Is there anything bothering you?
Not really, just a bit tired.
Is there anything bothering you?
Not really, just a bit tired.
Would you like to talk about it?
Maybe later, thanks.
Would you like to talk about it?
Maybe later, thanks.
Need a hand with your homework?
No, I think I got it covered.
Need a hand with your homework?
No, I think I got it covered.
How's your day been so far?
It's been okay, nothing special.
How's your day been so far?
It's been okay, nothing special.
Anything exciting happening lately?
Not really, just the usual stuff.
Anything exciting happening lately?
Not really, just the usual stuff.
Want to grab lunch together?
I already have plans, maybe next time.
Want to grab lunch together?
I already have plans, maybe next time.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Just hanging out with friends.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Just hanging out with friends.
Want to join us?
I'll see if I can make it.
Want to join us?
I'll see if I can make it.
How's that project going?
It's coming along, thanks for asking.
How's that project going?
It's coming along, thanks for asking.
Need any help with it?
Not at the moment, but I'll keep you posted.
Need any help with it?
Not at the moment, but I'll keep you posted.
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yeah, I saw one last weekend.
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yeah, I saw one last weekend.
What was it about?
It was a comedy, really funny.
What was it about?
It was a comedy, really funny.
Do you recommend it?
Definitely if you're into comedies.
Do you recommend it?
Definitely if you're into comedies.
Need recommendations for a new book?
Not right now, but thanks anyway.
Need recommendations for a new book?
Not right now, but thanks anyway.
Are you feeling all right?
Yeah, just a bit tired.
Are you feeling all right?
Yeah, just a bit tired.
Want to take a break?
Maybe in a little while.
Want to take a break?
Maybe in a little while.
Did you enjoy the last class?
It was okay, nothing too exciting.
Did you enjoy the last class?
It was okay, nothing too exciting.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Not yet, still figuring it out.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Not yet, still figuring it out.
Need any suggestions?
Maybe for a trip, if you have any ideas.
Need any suggestions?
Maybe for a trip, if you have any ideas.
How's your pet doing?
She's doing great, thanks for asking.
How's your pet doing?
She's doing great, thanks for asking.
Need help taking care of her?
No, I've got it covered.
Need help taking care of her?
No, I've got it covered.
Want to go for a walk together?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
Want to go for a walk together?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
Are you free this weekend?
Not really, got some things to take care of.
Are you free this weekend?
Not really, got some things to take care of.
Do you need some time to yourself?
Yeah, a little bit.
Do you need some time to yourself?
Yeah, a little bit.
Want me to come over?
Maybe another time, thanks.
Want me to come over?
Maybe another time, thanks.
Did you enjoy the party last night?
It was all right. Nothing too special.
Did you enjoy the party last night?
It was all right. Nothing too special.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Just relaxing at home.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Just relaxing at home.
Want to hang out?
Maybe some other time.
Want to hang out?
Maybe some other time.
Need a ride anywhere?
No, I've got transportation sorted.
Need a ride anywhere?
No, I've got transportation sorted.
How's your new job going?
It's challenging, but good overall.
How's your new job going?
It's challenging, but good overall.
Need any advice?
Not at the moment, but thanks for offering.
Need any advice?
Not at the moment, but thanks for offering.
Want to go out for dinner?
Maybe another time. I'm not hungry yet.
Want to go out for dinner?
Maybe another time. I'm not hungry yet.
How's your weekend been so far?
Pretty good, just relaxing.
How's your weekend been so far?
Pretty good, just relaxing.
Want to catch a movie tonight?
Maybe I'll let you know.
Want to catch a movie tonight?
Maybe I'll let you know.
How's your health lately?
It's been all right. Nothing serious.
How's your health lately?
It's been all right. Nothing serious.
Need to see a doctor?
Not at the moment, thanks for asking.
Need to see a doctor?
Not at the moment, thanks for asking.
Want to grab a coffee?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
Want to grab a coffee?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
How's your sleep been?
It's been okay, could be better.
How's your sleep been?
It's been okay, could be better.
Need any tips for better sleep?
Maybe if you have any.
Need any tips for better sleep?
Maybe if you have any.
Want to go for a hike this weekend?
Maybe I'll see if I'm free.
Want to go for a hike this weekend?
Maybe I'll see if I'm free.
How's your new hobby going?
It's fun, I'm enjoying it.
How's your new hobby going?
It's fun, I'm enjoying it.
Need any supplies for it?
Not right now, but thanks for asking.
Need any supplies for it?
Not right now, but thanks for asking.
Want to go to the gym together?
Maybe another time, I'm not in the mood.
Want to go to the gym together?
Maybe another time, I'm not in the mood.
How's your cooking skills progressing?
Slowly getting better, I think.
How's your cooking skills progressing?
Slowly getting better, I think.
Need any recipes?
Maybe for something easy.
Need any recipes?
Maybe for something easy.
Want to go to the mall?
Not today, maybe another time.
Want to go to the mall?
Not today, maybe another time.
How's your day shaping up?
It's going all right, thanks for asking.
How's your day shaping up?
It's going all right, thanks for asking.
Need any help with your chores?
No, I've got it under control.
Need any help with your chores?
No, I've got it under control.
Want to learn something new together?
Maybe if we find something interesting.
Want to learn something new together?
Maybe if we find something interesting.
How's your mood today?
It's all right, nothing too special.
How's your mood today?
It's all right, nothing too special.
Need some cheering up?
Not really, but thanks for asking.
Need some cheering up?
Not really, but thanks for asking.
Want to go for a bike ride?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
Want to go for a bike ride?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
How's your work-life balance?
It's okay, could be better.
How's your work-life balance?
It's okay, could be better.
Need any tips for managing it?
Maybe if you have any suggestions.
Need any tips for managing it?
Maybe if you have any suggestions.
Want to go to the beach?
Maybe another day, I'm not feeling it today.
Want to go to the beach?
Maybe another day, I'm not feeling it today.
How's your language learning going?
It's progressing slowly but surely.
How's your language learning going?
It's progressing slowly but surely.
Need any help with it?
Maybe with pronunciation.
Need any help with it?
Maybe with pronunciation.
Want to have a study session together?
Maybe another time, I'm busy right now.
Want to have a study session together?
Maybe another time, I'm busy right now.
How's your gardening going?
It's going well, thanks for asking.
How's your gardening going?
It's going well, thanks for asking.
Need any tips for better plants?
Maybe for keeping them healthy.
Need any tips for better plants?
Maybe for keeping them healthy.
Want to go for a run?
Maybe later, I'm not in the mood right now.
Want to go for a run?
Maybe later, I'm not in the mood right now.
How's your music practice going?
It's going good, getting better.
How's your music practice going?
It's going good, getting better.
Need any help with it?
Not right now, but thanks for offering.
Need any help with it?
Not right now, but thanks for offering.
Want to have a jam session together?
Maybe another time, I'm busy right now.
Want to have a jam session together?
Maybe another time, I'm busy right now.
How's your car running?
It's running fine, thanks for asking.
How's your car running?
It's running fine, thanks for asking.
Need to get it checked?
Not at the moment, but I'll keep an eye on it.
Need to get it checked?
Not at the moment, but I'll keep an eye on it.
Want to go to a concert?
Maybe if there's a good band playing.
Want to go to a concert?
Maybe if there's a good band playing.
How's your painting coming along?
It's coming along nicely, thanks for asking.
How's your painting coming along?
It's coming along nicely, thanks for asking.
Need any new brushes?
Not right now, but thanks for asking.
Need any new brushes?
Not right now, but thanks for asking.
Want to go to an art exhibit?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
Want to go to an art exhibit?
Maybe later, I'm busy right now.
How's your baking experiment?
It turned out well, thanks for asking.
How's your baking experiment?
It turned out well, thanks for asking.
Need any new recipes to try?
Maybe for something different next time.
Need any new recipes to try?
Maybe for something different next time.
Want to go to a museum?
Maybe another day, I'm not in the mood today.
Want to go to a museum?
Maybe another day, I'm not in the mood today.
How's your photography going?
It's going good. I'm learning a lot.
How's your photography going?
It's going good. I'm learning a lot.